Bnai ha Jingïakhih linti jong Jingïakhih ka Joint Action Committee ka bakintup ka NEHU ta NEHU but NEHU su jong Northeastern Hills University NEHU menta kasngi ka country trik nai beng arajar pulai kalayo banshong Jingïalam but Vice Chancellor ka University u Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla ka ne ka Jingïakhih do ban Ïathir jingmut ka de Hadien khandai poteli tam kisngi ka bakini kinoi kai kabalayo ya ka jingkarshan na ka NEHU su kabadi ka seng jong samla puli kila dana pedeng ka Jingïakhih no markeliang halor ki babon teli ki mat khamtam ka jingthung kam yo Rohit Prasad komu technical officer senior consultant jong ka school ba NEHU ya ka ba ka jingken no kalong ba ka jingthung kam kalong klam ki kendon ka ni ka Jingïalam minta ka dang ya chkhmat bat ka JAC hapo ka Jingïalam jong professor lakon kama hashwa ban le ka Jingïalam ka ba kila Shah Khot kalapin pau ba kam kwa pandan manu like now Vice Chancellor ban Ïathir ye bonteli ki mat ha ka Jingïalam.
Like I said already, we have conveyed, we have received an invitation from the VC to meet us. And apparently, except VC, we are not going to talk to anybody else. Whether it is officials, EC member, whoever is there, we cannot talk, right? That's because the invitation came from VC. So we'll talk to him because he wanted to talk to us. So we want to talk, so we will go inside. If there are any members other than VC, we will politely tell them to come out. Because discussion has to be one-to-one. So that whatever decision that will be transpired inside has to be conveyed to this assembly. Your acceptance or rejection will depend. We cannot agree anything inside. Let me make it very clear. Whatever we decide has to be conveyed to this house. You all have to agree. We cannot sit inside and agree. And I'll bring the proposal outside once we finish the business for your approval. If you approve, we go ahead. If you don't, we don't. So, but it is clear that this meeting is for the JAC members with the VC. Anybody else will be polite, we will be nice because he has invited us, so we will be nice and say that please come out. We will discuss one-to-one only with the VC.
There is no legal validity of the JAC.
No, it is. It is valid. We have the power and our authority. So, see, you invited us for a talk. Let's not start with a road. This is what I'm trying to say.